how to log in into your Paramount Plus. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Paramount Plus account. So in order to log in into your Paramount Plus account, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and also make sure that you already have an account. Now you can either use an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use an application. Now there's some glitch, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. However, the procedure is very simple. All you have to do is open up the application and then you'll be able to see two different options, that is sign up and sign in. Now select the sign in button in order to log in. Enter in the credentials such as email address, maybe username, and then a password. As soon as you're done with that, entering your following information, you'll be logged into your account successfully. So that is how simple it is to log in into your Paramount Plus account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.